Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Small characters. So there are some characters which can be written in small sizes. Ya, you, yo. Aiueo can be changed to small characters, and a combination of small aiueo and certain characters can also make other sounds. Let's practice together with me. Ki plus small ya, you, yo. Ka, ku, kyo. Shi plus small ya, you, yo. Sha, shu, sho. Chi plus small ya, you, yo is cha, chu, cho. Ni plus small ya, you, yo is nya, nyu, nyo. Hi plus small ya, you, yo is hya, hyu, hyo. Mi plus small ya, you, yo is mya, myu, myo. Bi plus small ya, you, yo is dia, ryu, ryo. Gi plus small ya, you, yo is gya, gyu, gyo. Ji plus small ya, you, yo is ja, ju, jo. Ji plus small ya, you, yo is ja, ju, jo. Bi plus small ya, you, yo is bya, byu, byo. Pi plus small ya, you, yo is pya, pyu, pyo. For example, the word study in Japanese is 勉強する. And the Japanese word green tea in Japanese is 緑茶. Are you following me now? So the next one is small t. When you write t in a small form, the sounds change to be like skipped sound, like katto or koppu or roketto. Next small characters are aiueo. Aiueo also can be small characters, but they are used to describe long words like fight, tea. The last small one is wa. There's actually a small form of wa, but we hardly use it. Congratulations, you finished all hiragana. In the next video, let's move on to self-introduction. Don't you think it's cool if you can introduce yourself in Japanese? I'll teach the basic sentence structure so that you can make a sentence. Don't forget to subscribe. またね